Hello friends. Welcome with another video. On this video, I will show you how you can shut down your computer faster and in one click. So be nice to subscribe and smash the like button. Let's start by creating a shortcut and write this command. For more details about command, open command prompt and type this command. To get more information about shutdown command, we go up to the interesting part. This part, like you see so much information about command. We need only two. The first one, how you turn off computer. Then our second is, how you do that by force and without permission. After all the steps, give the shortcut a name. Open it with right-click with mouse and search Aiyconne for it. Work done. Hope you like it. And if you're new subscriber for more videos,